ChatGPT has officially been dethroned. DeepSeek R1 is taking the world by storm, and everyone in the AI community is talking about it. With groundbreaking capabilities and game-changing applications, this tool is rewriting the rules for AI. In this video, we'll dive into 19 wild use cases for DeepSeek R1 that prove it's not just an alternative, it's the future of AI. Let's break it all down. 1. DeepSeek R1 1.5b can run on virtually any hardware. Let's start with accessibility. DeepSeek R1's 1.5b model is optimized to run on virtually any hardware, from high-end machines to basic setups. This is a massive step forward in making advanced AI technology available to everyone. You don't need a supercomputer or cloud infrastructure. DeepSeek R1 is designed to work efficiently even on older devices. 2. You can use DeepSeek in Visual Studio Code right now. Developers are already integrating DeepSeek R1 into their workflows by using it directly in Visual Studio Code. Whether it's writing, debugging, or optimizing code, having DeepSeek R1 embedded in your IDE means you've got a real-time AI assistant that understands your projects and speeds up development like never before. 3. DeepSeek R1 Coder is building games from different languages. Game development is being transformed by DeepSeek R1. Coders are using it to write, optimize, and even convert game code across different programming languages. Whether you're working with Unity, Unreal Engine, or custom frameworks, DeepSeek R1 bridges the gap between languages, making cross-platform game development seamless. 4. How R1 thinks in real time. This one's fascinating. DeepSeek R1 provides insights into how it thinks in real time. Developers can track the step-by-step reasoning process behind its outputs, making it easier to debug and understand its logic. It's like having a window into the mind of an AI, something that was previously a black box with many other models. 5. ChatGPT O1 Pro versus DeepSeek R1, spinning triangle with a red ball. An epic showdown. Someone tested both ChatGPT O1 Pro and DeepSeek R1 by asking them to create a spinning triangle with a red ball inside it. DeepSeek R1 delivered stunning results with precision, outperforming ChatGPT in terms of both efficiency and creativity. It's a clear example of how R1 is setting a new standard for problem solving and visual outputs. 6. DeepSeek R1 is completely open source and costs less than OpenAI O1. DeepSeek R1 is entirely open source, meaning anyone can access, modify, and use it without restrictions. On top of that, it's significantly cheaper than OpenAI's O1 model while delivering comparable performance. This democratizes access to cutting-edge AI, making it affordable for individuals and small businesses alike. 7. DeepSeek R1 1.5b works in your browser at 60 tokens per second using WebGPU. DeepSeek R1's browser compatibility is a game changer. Running at 60 tokens per second using WebGPU, you don't even need to download or install anything. This opens the door for lightweight, high-speed AI applications that can run directly in your browser. 8. Explaining the Pythagorean theorem using pictures. DeepSeek R1 takes education to the next level by visually explaining complex concepts like the Pythagorean theorem. It generates clear, step-by-step illustrations that make math accessible to everyone. Imagine what this could mean for teachers, students, and self-learners. 9. DeepSeek R1 Distill Qwen 7b in 4-bit solved a tough math question. In an impressive feat, DeepSeek R1 successfully solved a challenging math problem using the Distill Qwen 7b model in 4-bit. This shows just how powerful and efficient DeepSeek is, even when running on low-bit precision. 10. DeepSeek R1 671b with 2M2 Ultras, quicker than reading. By leveraging DeepSeek R1 671b on 2M2 Ultras, users have reported lightning-fast performance that enables rapid analysis and comprehension. It's like having an AI speed reader that can process massive amounts of information faster than you can skim through a single paragraph. 11. Setting up DeepSeek R1 locally in under 4 minutes. One user managed to set up the DeepSeek R1 115b model locally in under 4 minutes and integrated it with code editing tools like Cursor. This level of simplicity and speed makes it accessible even for non-technical users. 12. DeepSeek R1 on Android outperforms GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet in math. Yes, you heard that right. DeepSeek R1 1.5b on Android has been benchmarked outperforming both GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet in solving math problems. It's proof that you don't need a desktop to harness cutting-edge AI performance. 13. Creating a chat app with RAG to interact with PDF documents. DeepSeek R1 enables the creation of retrieval augmented generation RAG apps where you can upload a PDF document and have a conversation with it. Ask questions, get summaries, or extract specific details instantly. It's a huge productivity boost. 14. Build anything with DeepSeek R1. This point sums it up perfectly. You can build almost anything with DeepSeek R1. From automating workflows to creating applications, the possibilities are only limited by your imagination, and the community is already sharing tutorials and use cases to get you started. 15. Building AGI at home with DeepSeek R1 and 7 M4 Pro Mac Minis. One ambitious project involves using DeepSeek R1 to experiment with AGI, artificial general intelligence, setups at home. With a combination of 7 M4 Pro Mac Minis and an M4 Max MacBook Pro, the system delivers unparalleled computational power for local AI experimentation. 16. Create your AI agent with DeepSeek R1 and browser use. No coding needed. You can create your own AI agent using DeepSeek R1 without writing a single line of code. It's free, open source, and avoids costly subscription fees like the $200 month ChatGPT operator fee. Now anyone can set up an AI agent with minimal effort. 17. Making a yellow ball bounce inside a complex 3D shape. This example shows DeepSeek R1's ability to handle physics-based simulations. Users have created animations where a yellow ball bounces inside a complex 3D shape, perfect for gaming, simulations, or just exploring the creative potential of AI. 18. DeepSeek R1 on Grok is insanely fast. When running on Grok hardware, DeepSeek R1 delivers blazing fast performance. This combination is ideal for high-intensity use cases like large-scale data processing or advanced AI research. 19. A smart YouTube video checker, run by DeepSeek R1. Finally, DeepSeek R1 is being used to build smart tools like a YouTube video checker that runs entirely on your device. This tool can analyze videos, generate summaries, and extract key points, all while maintaining your privacy since everything is done locally. And there you have it, 19 mind-blowing examples of what DeepSeek R1 can do. From education to coding, gaming, and even AGI experimentation, this tool is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. If you're ready to dive in, head over to the link in the description to explore DeepSeek R1 for yourself. Let me know in the comments which use case blew your mind the most or how you plan to use it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.